Hello guys, this is my first video and today I will show you my bike.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take I got no love for the fakeness.
Today I wanna show you my bike, and will be mini review because I don't know what I can explain you, what I can say you about my bike, but I will try to make it good. Okay, this is the Kavi 300. He have 25 horsepower, and I think this is the cheapest Supermoto in stock. It's full stock Supermoto on stock wheels with stock stickers, and I think it's look crazy for this price. This is Chinese bike, but Ukrainian brand, and it's 300cc, but real is 279, but you can see 300. He has 25 horsepower, and this is okay because it's not KTM, Husqvarna, GazGaz, and another power brands. But for this price, I think it's crazy. It's a Supermoto for 2,700 euros. It's crazy. We have one cylinder with liquid coolant, and you can see the radiators with shield. We have 34 PVK carburetor, and it's good. I think it's good. And what do you think about appearance of this bike?
Wear the crown. I swear to God, they all let me down. I always fought just
The brakes on this bike, this is the two piston on front and one piston on rear side. What's about good and bad things on this bike? You can see this one shield, it's not stock, it's tuning, I think, and this is for exhaust because the exhaust is too hot. I have two holes on my pants, and the rear side of exhaust too, because I riding with my girlfriend, and my girlfriend's shoes was damaged because yeah, you can see this. I think you understand me. What's about second bad things on this bike? This is more vibra. The hands shaked like this because one cylinder motor, and I don't know why on this bike I feeling more vibra. And one more, it's front brake, it's shaking. I think it's not good, but we have it. What's about good things on this bike? It's more things, but I can show you the couple. And the first one, it's the foot pegs for second passenger. It's real cool because it's Supermoto, but on Supermoto we have the foot pegs. For passenger it's more comfortable, and I like it, really like it. The second is engine shield and radiator shield. It's fully stock, and I think it's cool. I think it's really cool. Also we have fully LED headlights, and it's crazy. This bike is so cheap, but have the more of cool things, and this is it. And I forgot to say to you, this is the middle size bike. This is not full size, but this bike really close to be full size bike. And right now I wanna make sound check for you, so you can listen how this bike sounds. I think it's not bad. So why I choose this bike? Because he has foot pegs for passenger, and for me it's very important. This is the full stock Supermoto, and I like it. I really like it. What I want to do with this bike? I want to do the more content for you. I want to riding. I want to do more content for you again. It's Supermoto. It's Supermoto. It's Supermoto. So let's do the test ride.
I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all want to ring. Yeah, we all want to be free.
Bike feeling like very easy because the weight of this bike only 125 kilogram, and it's cool. It's very simple to ride, and I don't know, I can show you. Look, it's very simple. It's so easy. It's interesting. I like this bike, really like. It's very nice price for this power, for this opportunity. Let's do the acceleration test and after the brake test. So guys, now I want to go like 70 kilometer per hour, and this will be accelerating test, and after the brake test. Yeah, this brakes, I think it's not bad, but not perfect. I don't know. It's cool for this price, really. It's really cool for this price. I really like this. I like this so much. I can show you. I like this sound. I like this sound. Yeah, and a little stoppy. Yeah, it's cool. So I can show you how this bike can steering. I think it's steering in English. Sorry, my English is not perfect, but I trying to explain what I think, what I mean, and I can show you how this bike can steering. Yeah. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. I think you like this review. It's a really small review. I don't know, my English is not perfect, but I trying to explain you the whole what I think, what I mean, and I think it was a good review, and in the next time I will try and do it the best, or I think I said it correct what I mean. Thank you guys.